I'm not going to target anyone because that's not me. But yeah, if someone targets me, then definitely I will stand up. This will be the toughest thing for me, and I hope and pray that I'm not given this job. But I have taken picture of someone, and you will see soon.
Koimoi.com.
Hi Karan, welcome to Koimoi.
Hi, thanks a lot for having me here. Thank you.
How excited are you? Just not what? 3 days left till you debut on Bigg Boss OTT.
Yes, just few days to go. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get inside the house.
Do you want to
the
just
most
enter
talked
right
about
away?
show, and first time coming on, Wood OTT. So it's going to
Exactly.
be more special and a lot of hangama inside the house. So yeah, I'm super
24
excited to
hours.
be part of the show.
Karan Joe is hosting the show this year, as in at least the first 6 weeks while it's on OTT. So
Hanji.
how prepared are you for his fiery comebacks, fiery statements, his witty responses? How prepared are you to deal with those?
I think Karan is known for his Karan Johar is known for his sense of humor and stuff. So it'll be great interacting with him. In fact, I'm looking really forward to it. He's one of the finest directors we have. The whole country knows that. So to have him on board, as in hosting us, it'll be special, and I'm super excited about it.
And after that, Salman Khan. So after Karan Johar, you jump to Salman Khan. So how is this like? What's the excitement? Keep two hosts and both are very big names.
Wow, amazing! When you get through Karan, then you have to face Salman sir. Amazing. That's like icing on the cake. So yeah, definitely. It's like I have old connection with Salman sir. My mom's movie, if you remember, Sajan, Salman sir was part of it. Then my first home production movie, which my father made, Dil Tera Aashiq, was again with Salman sir. So we have an old connection with him. So, and he's someone who's always believed in me. So I'm really happy to be part of his show. And बहुत मजा आएगा बल्कि उनसे बात करके and interact करके जब if I make it to for the Colors Bigg Boss. I hope I make it. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Yes. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Meeting him on Bigg Boss.
So what's been your prep while entering the house? What's your prep?
I'm getting this. A lot of people are asking me about this preparation and stuff. Honestly, I'm going inside the house with without any preparation or any other sort, because thing is that I've always taken decisions in my life straight from the heart, ekdam on the spot, dil se jo bhi decision liya hai. So andar jaake bhi mera yahi ekdam this is the way I'm going to play the game. Play it from my heart and tackle every situation at that point of time. Not plan things from beforehand, because then that wouldn't look natural. So, and I'm someone who likes to be natural as possible.
Another thing that we've seen in the previous seasons of Bigg Boss is people bring up old topics, old news, old controversies, or anything that in the past, just for some footage or to instigate another person. In case such a thing happens with you, how do you plan on dealing with it?
See, if someone gets personal or someone gets, tries to poke you for no reason, and he's getting personal with you, or he or she, so definitely you have to retaliate. You can't be, nice to them then. You have to put them in their places. That's what Bigg Boss is all about. Some people, try to target someone. Before entering, they have their targets. But I don't have any targets in this show. Because I don't, first of all, मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन कौन अंदर आ रहे हैं.
Exactly.
But एक बार जब मालूम पड़ जाएगा, तब भी I'm not going to target anyone, because that's not me. But yeah, if someone targets me, then definitely I will stand up for myself and for people who I believe are right. And if those people are also getting cornered by someone who wants to do things for content, then तो फिर मैं उस पे भारी पड़ूंगा पक्का. I will take stand for people who are right, for sure.
While we are talking about verbal interactions going on the bad end, there have been instances when people have got physical in the show, be it raising hands on each other, throwing stuff on each other.
I request Bigg Boss people then, then you should take that clause out of the rule book that you can't be physical. If you can be physical, then I think I have a very good chance of going forward. No, but you know, I can't cross the line, and definitely I wouldn't like to cross the line. I'm not that, you know, I'm not a very aggressive person. But so there are rules. If you become, you know, if you get physical, then that person will be out of the show, because you can't get physical. And you know, this the whole India is we all have certain responsibilities. We have to set good examples for people to follow, and not like, you know, fight among ourselves physically. So ये तो वैसे भी ये रूल है ही नहीं, मतलब ये रूल इन द सेंस कि रूल है कि आप फिजिकल नहीं हो सकते हैं, एंड अगर किसी ने किया तो वो गेम के बाहर हो जाएगा.
When we spoke about you getting prep, did you learn how to cook some food or eat something to?
This is this will be the toughest thing for me, and I hope and pray that I'm not given this job. आप मुझे खाना वाना बनाना पड़ेगा, कि मैंने आज तक मैं चाय भी नहीं बनाई है यार. मैं अंदर जाके क्या करूंगा, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ उस पे. अगर मुझे एक काम दे दिया गया तो मैं ओ गॉड, आई होप मुझे काम नहीं मिले. बट हाँ, मैं काम मतलब अगर किचन का काम है तो मैं उसमें हाथ बटाऊंगा डेफिनेटली. मैं वो सब्जी वब्जी काटना वो सब सीख जाऊंगा मैं. दैट्स इजी, वो मैं कर लूंगा सब. बट खाना बनाने मत बोलना, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड ऊपर से वो जितने भी जो लोग आ रहे हैं 13-14, उनका ध्यान रखना, मतलब आई एम श्योर किसी को मेरा खाना नहीं पसंद आएगा.
Maybe over the week till you reach the color show, you'll hone your skills and you'll get better. For all we know, by the time you exit the
You
show,
want me
you'll
to
be
come
a
out like as like a
chef.
trained chef and all?
You,
I think you know what, my mom will be very happy if she sees me now doing all this. She'll be the most happiest person on this planet.
फिर जब आप वापस घर जाओगे वो बोलेगी, घर में तो आपने ये किया था ना, चलो यहाँ पे भी कर लो.
Exactly, सही पकड़ा आपने एकदम. वो मैं सब करके आऊंगा ना, फिर मुझसे करवाएंगे घर पे वो सब कुछ, कि बेटा अभी तो भाई ट्रेनिंग हो गई है, अब लग जाओ काम पे यहाँ पर घर पे.
That's really, I bet the person you're going to miss the most in the house would be your mom only, from the way you're talking about.
Definitely, I'm quite close to her, and close to. I mean, obviously, I mean, she's, you know, mother is someone we all are very close to our mothers. And 2020, I almost, you know, lost her, but it was a very tough year for me. It was, I mean, it was a tough year for humanity, for everyone. I know that. So I will miss her a lot, and my whole family, in fact, my nephew also. But and then plus my pet, she's about 9 months old. Her name is Sophie. I will definitely miss her a lot.
I bet you'll take her pictures. Her and your mom's pictures are going to be close to your heart in the house.
Well, I haven't taken, to be honest, mom's picture because फिर वो क्या है कि ज्यादा देखूंगा, फिर वो मैं बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल हो जाऊंगा. But I have taken picture of someone, and you will see soon.
I don't think I should ask you my next question then. If you're open to love in the house, if you're taking someone special picture, is it on the same lines as someone special?
Oh my God. I don't know. Actually, I'm not thinking in that way. But I know Big Boss का घर है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. काफी दिन हम सब साथ में होने वाले, अच्छे दोस्त मिल जाएंगे अंदर घर के. दुश्मन तो मिलेंगे ही, I think. वो तो होना ही है. But I hope नहीं मिले. दोस्त तो मिलेंगे बहुत सारे, एंड अगर वो दोस्ती किसी के साथ अगर आगे बढ़ गई तो ठीक है. फिर मैं कुछ यही सोच के नहीं जा रहा अंदर कि मुझे किसी के साथ रोमांस करना है कुछ. बट अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है तो ठीक है, well and good.
You're open. Okay. Yeah. You're going to be without your phone for more than 6 weeks. Do you think you'll be able to survive without it? Because first thing we do in the morning is phone उठाओ, messages देख लो, किसने क्या message किया, किसने क्या social media पे डाला है. So how is that going to be different for you now?
See, luckily, I mean, I was born around mid-80s. So, I mean, when I grew up, there were no phones. So, at least like till late 90s, I think, phones came in, gadgets came in. Yeah. Around that time, I think, yeah. So, I'll have to go back to basics again. And, just live without... I love my gadgets. I mean, we all love our gadgets and stuff. I love my gadgets too. But Big Boss के घर में तो सबसे पहला रूल है कि phones आप carry नहीं कर सकते. You have to stay away from... you can't be talking to anyone from outside. So it's a challenge. This is a challenge, and I take it as a challenge. And एक बहुत बड़ी चुनौती है हम सबके लिए. So हाँ, मजा आएगा. It's a different environment. मजा आएगा. I'm really looking forward to it.
All the best, Karan.
Thank
Hope
you
to
so
see
much.
you rocking the Bigg Boss OTT house.
I'll give my best. Definitely.
Enjoy yourself while there.
Yes, I will. I will enjoy every moment, every minute, every hour.
All the best.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Koimoi.com